Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Uban Vitrex. Today is my first day. I'm showing to you my Iron Man head, Iron Man helmet maybe. I want to tell you that I am the fans of Iron Man. A lot of toys like this one. Iron Man, so that is one of my favorites. And I have Iron Man Lego, and it's small like this, so that's not important. In this video I'm going to show you exactly that I want to show is the Iron Man helmet, realistic, just like the real Iron Man on the movie you watch. It's probably just a simple Iron Man helmet, yellow. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'm showing to you about my Iron Man helmet. So let's get into this right now. Okay, this is Iron Man helmet that I made by myself using the aluminum and cardboard paper and also yellow tape, sticky tape, and scissor. Of course scissor, right? Of course I'm using knife. Okay, very old. So this is very old. So you see that? Dirty. I put this Iron Man helmet on in my store, so I'm gonna bring it back. So let's see. I'm finished clean it. It has been cleaned. So this is not an easy DIY that I made by myself. It's very hard to know. It takes a lot of time. 2 months, because I am not pro in making this. So this is the result. You see that? It looks like realistic, like, but in yellow. Oh, what the yellow color is exactly what I want. I'm going to make my own costume. So I put my black tape here to hold this helmet face so it will not fall down. So I'm going to put this helmet to my head. Just imagine that you are an Iron Man. Okay, see that? You can see that? Okay, you are an Iron Man. So this is how you feel if you are the Iron Man. So this is just prototype, exactly a prototype, not exactly the real Iron Man. So this is just part 1 of my Iron Man making video, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay guys, so that is my Iron Man helmet, and I hope you guys enjoyed that Iron Man helmet video. It's just a simple video. I'm showing that Iron Man helmet. If you want to know how to make it, I will show you the templates and the tutorials. I may not showing to you the tutorials on how to make the Iron Man helmet, but I'm going to show you exactly where is the web page or where is the website I got that tutorials to make that Iron Man helmet. So after the end of this video, I'm going to show you where's that website and where is the picture of the template. You can see in the link. And so guys, I hope you like this video, and please send some comment to my videos down below, and I want to know what is your score and what is your feeling and what is your comment on my first Iron Man helmet that I had made by myself. Improve my Iron Man helmet and upgrade it to make it more realistic, just like the Iron Man, just like the head of the Iron Man of the Tony Stark. I hope so. So guys, this is my my time is running out right now. Okay, I'm going to stop my video. Okay, so guys, let's see you in the next video. Thank you for watching my video and thank you for watching my channel. Okay, that's all guys, thank you.